Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your realtors. Today we are here on location, and as you can see there's no snow yet, so this is pre-snow site visits, property visits. We visit every property before the snow flies so we can see where we can put snow and where to better not put snow so it doesn't create issues throughout the winter. And also we're gonna scope out where there is flower beds, mulch beds and rock beds. So especially with mulch and rock beds, you don't want to pick those up with your snowblower because they can create property damage when there is a rock picked up by the snowblower and thrown into a window or a car or any other items of value, or even at people. So we mark those lines where there is a mulch bed or a rock bed and areas basically to avoid with equipment running into, so we don't create harm and a headache for the homeowner and other people in the area where we do have snow operation going on. So here you can see we have a mulch bed. So this is the driveway. We put a stake right here so that marks the line of the driveway to the sidewalk. So that tells us basically, and most driveways are basically in line with the corner of the house, as so. So we put one here at the city sidewalk, and then again here, because we have another mulch bed here, put them right on this corner. And as we need to clear out this space too for snow, we have put one here, and then it basically just connects with the post of the fence there. So that's one. And then here we have around a circular or half circular rock bed here, so we put a stake right here at the corner at the city sidewalk, because if we don't want to pick up any of those rocks and either throw them in this window right there or at any parked car on the driveway, or if it happens to be shooting snow towards the city sidewalk and pedestrians. So we have those markers here, there, and then again we have one here marking that mulch bed there that goes in straight line with this driveway, and then again marking this mulch bed here that goes in straight line with a or like in curvature there, and then also those corners of the mulch bed here and there. Again, Rudy here with your realtors. I hope this was helpful and showing you how we at your realtors prepare properties before the snow flies, so there's no issues throughout the winter season. And if you have any questions on snow operation or snow removal in general, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, yourregardsservice.com. And with that, I'll see you when the snow flies.